everyone, and thanks for watching today's episode of what's in my Aliexpress basket. Today we have lots of laces and gorgeous trims, and the first one is this eyelash lace, and it's 3 meters for £1.34. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the eyelash edge to it. It just looks gorgeous. If you look at this next picture, how pretty is that? That'd be just lovely on the edge of a journal or project. It is lovely, and it comes in black or white. And then we have 5 meters of this lace trim, this sort of scalloped edge lace trim, and it's £2.28. And it's different, isn't it? It's very different. And then we have 2 meters of this flower lace trim, just absolutely gorgeous. This embroidery kind of look to it. It's £2.24. And I love the very light coffee colour, beigey. What would you call it? It's almost like a coffee colour, isn't it? Okay, the next one, 2 meters of this flower trim, £2.24 for 2 meters. And actually 2 meters goes a long way. I mean, some of these are 10 meters and 5 meters, and that is a lot of trim. The next one coming up is actually 10 meters. This is 10 meters of this lovely dot lace trim. Just gorgeous. 10 meters, £3.25. Look how much you get. 10 meters is a lot. £3.25. You cannot beat that. Then we have this Chinese style lace trim, 1 meter for £3.40. Absolutely stunning with these beautiful flowers and leaves. Just gorgeous. Almost looks like trellis that it's on. Loving the colours of this, and it's quite wide as well. And we have 3 meters of cotton lace, £2.17. Has a very slight little ruffle in it. Again, it's quite a wide one, so that would cover quite a lot. On this seller there are a couple of different styles, but I have put that one and the other one on for you to see what he has. Okay, now we have 5 meters of flower lace trim, £2.53, and you've obviously got the 3 different colour flowers. In 5 meters you'll get quite a lot of flowers. They're not diddy, they're not tiny, but they're not huge, but they are gorgeous. If you're looking for gold trim, look no further. 5 meters of gold trim, £1.81, and trust me, 5 meters goes a long way. I mean, I ordered some, when I ordered mine, and they've come, and I've thought, oh my gosh, look how much you get. This is 3 meters of Venise rose lace, 3 colours, and it's I don't know if I pronounced that right, Venise rose. It's 3 colours, and it's £2.68 for the 3 meters. And then we have 1 meter of chiffon ruffle lace, £1.85, and it's in black or white. Loving the white. It is just so pretty, and you can see here how wide it is, so it is very wide. Okay, then we have 3 meters of gold, champagne gold trim, £2.53. Really like, champagne gold at the moment. Actually, that's the colour, isn't it? Champagne gold. I was calling it beigey, but it's actually champagne gold. And it's just beautiful, very delicate and gorgeous. We have 2 meters of daisy floral trim. I think there are 2 different colour options, the purple or the pink, and they are £1.88 for the 2 meters. And you see the different colours here, and I think the flowers are a little bit smaller on this one. And then I do not know, do I have the price for this one? No, I don't. I don't have the price for this one, but the links will be in the description below. So do not fear I think that this is the ruffle trim. It's £1.59 that was. And then this is 5 meters of flower vine trim, £3.25 for the 5 meters, and there are 6 different colours. So don't forget, the links are in the description if you want to order them. I've got so many things written down here, I lose my way sometimes. Then we have 2 meters of venise lace trim, £2.10. Very delicate again and very pretty. And there are different colours to choose from. And then we have this 2 meters venise lace trim. Again, this is £2.10, I think. I might have got my prices messed up. I think this is the £2.10 one. The prices will be in the link, trust me. I'm so sorry, my photos have got messed up when I've done my my video here. We've missed one out here. Okay, look at this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous trim here. Now, what have we got here? This is 2 meters of, no, I do not know. Oh my god, forget this one, the price is in there, right? This is 2 meters of I do not know, but I'm just going to tell you, these are just very beautiful. Okay, I have totally lost my way with my prices, but the prices will be in there. But look at these lovely, delicate, gorgeous lace trims in all these different colours. I cannot find this applique. Where are we? Look at these appliques. These are very beautiful. Now, these are really, really big. If you look at this photo coming up, look how huge these appliques are. Now, you get 4 pieces, so you get 2 different colours, 2 in each, and they're £2.14. Absolutely stunningly beautiful, £2.14 for 4. So I'm sorry I messed up with the prices, but the links are there for them and you can check them out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I've just had one of those days, had the grandkids and all over the place, so just excuse me, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye bye.